In order to access your classes, you're going to first enter the class that says Math 07 AS Section 1, Summer 1, 1819. That is our summer school math course. To find your assignment, you're going to look under the dates. You can click the little arrow, and anywhere there's a dot on the calendar means that there was an assignment assigned that day. You can click right on that dot and it'll show you what you need to complete. You can click right on the title of the lesson. It'll bring you to the lesson and it shows you how much of that topic you've completed. So before you've begun, it'll say 0%, 0 of 9 required topics complete. You're going to want to complete both the Get Ready and the assessment for the readiness checkpoint for your first assignment from July 1st. To complete the Get Ready, you'll click on it, start in the first topic, and begin to work your way through. Within the first topic, you'll see over on the right, there are 8 different things you need to complete. So you're going to read everything on the first slide, and you'll continue through the next 6 slides of this first section. As you can see, the next section is a math video. You'll click the play button to watch it. There's another video that shows you how to do something, gives you some directions down here, and you continue on. You're going to continue until you complete each of these 6 pages rather. And when you have, you'll click Next, and it'll bring you to the next topic. You can see over here on the right that each time you complete one of the topic sections, a green check mark will show up. Once all of the green checks have shown up, you'll know that you have completed this portion of the assignment. When you are finished with that, you're going to work on the assessment. So you'll click Assessment, and then you'll click Readiness Checkpoint, Grade 7, Semester A. And you'll begin. Yours will look a little bit different. Yours will show the test for you to take, and you'll be ready to go.